Monday morning, and we got a nice bit of rain last night, Sunday night, and yeah, so we're ready to drop in our other sections of the sump. Picking up from Friday, I managed to punch in one drain there on Friday. You can see there, I still have a second drain to punch in. But first I'm going to drop in this other section of sump. I'm going to trace back the sewer line today and hopefully remove a section of sewer line and get my outlet hooked up. So that's kind of the plan for today, to pump out some water. My pump is over there, you can see. I have to pump out a bit of water out of the trench. So I'll go over these chains and how I like to hook it up. So I like to attach this ring onto the thumb right there, and then I have 3 pins in either hole, in each hole, with these chains as well. I've never really had a problem. In terms of weight, I've lifted bigger sumps, bigger sizes with similar machines. I never had a problem with them. They're rated for the weight, and so it's all about slack. It's all about your slack and your height and your weight. Yeah, it's quite a lot of variables when you're lifting this type of stuff. How close away you are from the trench and whatnot. But yeah, I'm going to set up my camera and yeah, enjoy. Just need more slack at the back. Now I was going to cut in here. But it makes more sense to go to the next joint, okay? Delete, it makes more sense to delete more joints as possible, okay? Less roots in the joints. Go to the next section. But yeah, I don't have the correct sawzall blade, but the one I have should work fine.
So it's where you make the connection.
Yeah.
Where you make the connection over there, yeah?
So I flip the sawzall blade around and then I can use it the other way while still holding it in the fixed position as I had from the beginning of the cut. Next I'm just going to tap this out and we should have ourselves an open sewer line. Tie in the Y45 over here. Y45 outlet here. Y45 back at a lower height. This is my lowest point coming in. That's the lowest point coming in, so I want my outlet to the sewer line much lower. Punch in there somewhere. 1931. That's history right there, but exactly there. There we go. Like that. There. I'm going to remove the rest of these tiles, and once I remove those tiles, then I'm going to scoop out one or two more scoops with the machine, and then that'll save me having to jackhammer and dig it out and hump it out by shovel. Work smarter, not harder, baby. Yes, then that's the final piece. I must not forget the fern call. Okay. Oh shit, the fucking fern cup. There we go. Like so. Like that. For a cook. Again, typical clay fern cup. That's fine. Just gonna check the level up top. Right, so it's kind of hard getting these shots. I'm just gonna confirm again. Yeah, we're touching the line there. We're touching the line there. Yeah, that one is fine. Okay, so fuck off. Pardon my French. I'm touching the line everywhere here. Yeah, my outlet. Franco is on. My angle, 45's angle way down in there. And that's why in that branch is grading. The sewer line is grading. The sewer line is grading. So that's that. So I just need to push that Franco on. I need to push that Franco on, and then I'm going to have to bed everything with gravel. Once I get everything bedded in with gravel, that just gets the people inside the house off my chest. Yeah, so my camera shit the bed there. So basically you put a 45 on here, up, 45 up, up. That's my 2 vertical cleanouts. And that's it. Bed the place with gravel. Even though it's a bed, there's literally a huge boulder here. I don't know how I got away with on that boulder, man. But that's full, yeah, that's fucking grand now. I just need to push that Franco on. And then cement in these 2 pipes, and then I have 2 more solid. One from the left and one from the right for the gutters. They'll punch in higher. I'm no worry about those, they're fine. And okay, I can get back at it.